In this video, I will show you how to download ChatGPT on laptop. Make sure to follow along with this video to learn how to install the ChatGPT app, open it on your laptop and start using it straight away. And before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you want to do from your desktop is come down to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type Store, and then what you want to do is open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. Once eStore has loaded through, come up to the search box at the top and in here type ChatGPT, all one word, and then press enter on your keyboard. From here you're going to find the ChatGPT app, give it a click and that's going to take you to the app screen, and from here just click the blue Get button. So once you've clicked on to Get, ChatGPT is going to start installing on your laptop, and once it's finished installing you're going to see the blue Open button. What you need to do is click onto the open button, and what that's going to do is launch ChatGPT on your laptop. Now at this point you can start using it straight away, or if you do have an account with ChatGPT, you can click onto login in the top right hand corner and log in with your account. Once you've logged in, it's going to open up like this, and then it's going to be a quick permission to let ChatGPT access your precise location. You can choose yes or no for this. I'm going to choose no, and as you can see there is a shortcut you can use to quickly access ChatGPT, which is by holding Alt and space on your keyboard. But as you can see, here we are, ChatGPT has now been downloaded on PC and we can start using this straight away. So that's how to download ChatGPT on laptop. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.